Beckman Coulter Life Sciences, advancing science through discovery in the 21st century. An honor to be an industry leader, where the world has turned for innovative centrifugation technology since 1947. Take a few minutes to learn why, and to hear from customers around the world as they discuss what separated Beckman Coulter from other life sciences companies for more than 70 eventful years. When Arnold Beckman merged Spinco with Beckman Instruments in 1947, little could he have imagined the role centrifugation and analytical ultracentrifugation, or AUC, would play in the forward momentum of science around the world. AUC combines sophisticated optical systems with a high-speed centrifuge, enabling scientists to analyze particles that up to that time were impossible to see with even the most powerful microscopes. It didn't take long for AUC technology to become a coveted tool for researchers around the world, including, for example, scientists at the Biophysical Society of Japan.
そのグループでは、タンパク質としてのアミラーゼですが、高アミラーゼの分子を決める画期的な仕事をなさって、でそれをまた超遠心じゃなしに海面なんていうんですかね、表面張力を測ることによってするというような方法なんですけれども、でそれをそれで見つかった、決めた分子をきちっと、再現するというのを超遠心を使ってやられたというような仕事がありました。そういう意味で、分析の超遠心域の、非常に先駆け的なものでした。で私が、学部へ入った頃には
столкнулся, он был не то 42-го года, не то 43-го. Поэтому я со стареньким Бекманом очень... Он старше меня. С 7-го года по оборудованию. Вот через 3 года меня пригласили сюда. Я, поправив, кажется, один контакт заземления, привел все в чувство. Говоря удовольствие от машины, которая работает 50 лет, честно говоря, тем, что она работает 50 лет. Это наше совместное достижение.
A number of scientists over the past 70-plus years have become experts in using AUC to characterize all types of macromolecules. As a result, many of them established a mutually rewarding partnership with the organization that ultimately became Beckman Coulter Life Sciences.
And I was essentially born to the technique in my honours year, and I've become an expert. I've actually become a Southern Hemisphere expert for this technique, and really 23 years of focus on that has enabled me to have a close relationship with Beckman Coulter. I've not had that relationship with any other supplier or any other biotech company out there.
These experts have used AUC to characterize the smallest particles to make some of the biggest contributions to science. Contributions they're understandably proud to share.
We love to explore new things, try to understand the mystery of the life. When my students get excellent research results and they are able to produce excellent papers, that always brings me proud moment.
鶏の足の腱から可溶性のコラーゲンを抽出しまして、でそのものを人工平衡法で、分子を決める国際生物物理学会にそれを発表しに行きまして、ラマチャンドランという、もうお亡くなりましたけども、世界的にコラーゲンのことを得られた権威の方が私の講演の後でわざわざ立ち上がって今の小林の発表はこういう意味があるんだということをわざわざ言ってくださったぐらいのことがあり、そのためにそれから50年間コラーゲンをやってます。こんなにコラーゲンが。
I have an enthusiasm for science. I have an enthusiasm for the technique of analytical ultracentrifugation. It's the central focus of my research. It's the central focus of my teaching. The proudest achievements is actually imparting the knowledge I've generated from my research onto the next generation of early career scientists. So I'm most proud of the achievements of my students.
そして XLA とか XLI とかっていう機械ができてきて、コンピュータライズされてきて、そこでもうガラリと話が変わりました。もうそれまではもう本当に苦労しまして。
Мы можем на 60 тысячах титановом роторе крутить 7 препаратов, то, что мы могли только 3 с контрбалансом. А на титановом 6-канальном мы можем анализировать 11 препаратов. Так что производительность труда таким образом у нас повысилась.
I've compared Beckman Coulter products with other suppliers, and there's no doubt in my mind that Beckman Coulter's products are superior. They're certainly superior in terms of quality, They're superior in terms of service.
So these three important things that Beckman is making sure: quality product, quality service, and training to the students. So Beckman is an integral part of our scientific research. I don't think without ultracentrifugation we can do whatever we are doing.
2017 marked the 70th year of Beckman Coulter's ongoing commitment to providing unrivaled centrifugation technology to labs, hospitals, and universities around the world.
So the 70th anniversary of centrifugation for Beckman Coulter means the world to me. We've seen the emergence of the Optima AUC, which is a new analytical ultracentrifugation platform. So we're very excited by this development, and we put in a grant early this year to secure the technology. Now, this method is not widely utilised. I think it's an absolutely underutilised method, and more people should be using it. It's so critical to many, many research projects out there.
Only time will reveal what new and important discoveries Beckman Coulter centrifuges will facilitate during the next 70-plus years. But one thing seems certain: Beckman Coulter Life Sciences will continue to be a company the world turns to with confidence for innovative centrifugation and AUC technology.